So it's gonna be 60 hours of lecture.
I'm so sorry. I gotta get my frappe up.
Oh, yeah. Expect that all the time.
It was almost completely frozen. Okay, y'all can start over. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I vote we keep that in.
Okay,
Literally, wait, hold up.
Okay.
Literally, first day of school, or first day Miss J is here. She says, "Can someone go tell Miss Donna to get my frappe out the fridge?"
That was the first time she was here?
I think
Yeah,
so.
yeah, it was like the first day she had asked.
Okay. So
60 hours of lecture.
yeah, 60 hours of lecture. It's just gonna be like lectures, like sit down lectures, PowerPoints, which are
Boring.
pretty
Very
boring.
boring.
Come to class tired and leave tired.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
gonna expect that. She's gonna expect
She's
y'all
expected to stay awake.
to stay awake, and then she has the thing called the dungeon.
Oh.
So if you go to sleep or if you're on your phone, she takes it to the dungeon where it's just like y'all
You
like
exercise.
you exercise, wake up,
And run laps.
yeah, run laps.
We did get to visit the welding class though. That was pretty cool.
Oh yeah, that was fun. Was that that wasn't even a dungeon? It was just like
We just went.
Yeah, yeah.
And then it's 40 hours of lab.
Clinical. Yeah,
Clinical.
clinical.
Yeah.
So for us, we started our clinical late, but for your class, you should be starting way earlier than we did. We started in January of this year, but I think
It was also delayed because of like transportation and stuff.
but I think they're gonna start in October. Yeah. So for clinical, just be prepared to like see real life stuff. It might be like a little like whew, at first, but it's gonna grow on to you and you'll like adapt to the environment. It's okay to ask questions, you know, if you're unsure about something, you should definitely ask questions before you just go ahead and do something. You don't want to make any mistakes, especially when you're dealing with like live residents. So make sure to ask questions.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Especially the nurses there. If they're no help, just ask Miss J.
Yeah, you shouldn't feel like you're there
To
like
know.
to know because we were there not knowing, like we didn't know how to do anything.
They just
That was
basically
our
sent
first
us
time.
in.
Yeah, they just
Yeah.
send you in. For me, I didn't really expect this, like having real life hands-on experience.
Yeah.
Like I didn't see myself cleaning
Yeah.
an
Doing the
elderly
things we were
person.
doing,
Yeah,
yeah.
but you have to be prepared to
Get your hands dirty.
get your hands dirty, seriously,
Stick
and
your foot in the water.
and you're not. I wasn't hungry for that whole day after Saturday clinical. Like it was. Oh, I couldn't do it, but. It wasn't really that bad. Like the thought of it is bad, but like once you're there and once you're doing it, it's just you're doing it. Like it's just not.
It will eventually become like, oh, like just a job, you know.
Mhm.
Yeah. Something.
You will come across several different people that work there that are very rude. Don't talk back. Just be the bigger person. Say yes, ma'am, yes, sir. If they're no help, again, go to Miss J. Most of the time, they're no help. They're pretty rude.
Yeah.
But you will see some things in the nursing home that you would never expect. And it's pretty like dark. A lot of the patients will like tell you things and that will break your heart. But I mean, it's like it's part of the job.
You will meet a lot of patients, some of which you grow close with, and some you don't. Some you'll see the next time you go, some you won't see them anymore. It was great being able to go back somewhere and hear them say, "Oh, I miss hearing your laugh," or you know, things like that. It was honestly a heart touching experience.
Yeah, and the patients. I mean, the
It was
residents.
really sad.
The residents like having us there. Like they weren't mean or anything. They were welcoming.
Most
to
of
us.
them.
If you have like ear piercings, they can't be like
No
big
dangling,
hoops,
yeah.
no like dangling necklaces. Because if you think about it, like whenever you go to clinicals, like the patient can just like
Reach
Grab.
up and grab it.
Grab your necklace and like just pull it off.
Mhm.
No like rings or bracelets. You can have a watch. That's fine.
There you go. Watch.
Tennis shoes.
Crocs.
Yeah.
Crocs. With
Crocs.
no back.
With the
No
strap.
boots. Can't wear boots.
No boots.
Oh my god. That's not. Yeah.
Overall, the class was fun. Miss J's pretty.
Miss J's a
Right.
handful sometimes.
She could be rude.
She can, yeah.
She
She
could
can
be
talk
mean.
back.
She could yell and try to be scary. She might think she's scared of someone, but I'm just kidding. You should be scared.
Yeah, I was.
She's gonna beat you. No, I'm just kidding.
No,
She has.
Oh
Sorry.
no, you can talk.
She has her off days. That's when you know, like she ain't playing. Like
She's
you
not
gotta get to
playing.
work. But she can have her days where she's like, all right, y'all take a take a break. Oh yeah,
Make a
we'll make a
TikTok.
TikTok.
Play some basketball in the classroom.
Oh, I was gonna say, but she's a really genuine person. She's gonna be like straight up with you. Like, she'll be like,
You don't
use
care.
your critical thinking. Like,
Common
Common
sense.
sense.
yes, your common
She
sense.
doesn't hold back.
She does not hold back at all. But she's a really great mentor, and you'll like enjoy your experience here with her. I'd say especially during test prepping, like during that time is gonna be the most serious you'll see her, because like she wants you to be on it. Like, make sure you know your stuff. You know, like it's important to study in this class. That's one thing. I regret not like doing as much in the beginning. I wasn't really like studying my stuff as much as I should have been. So I'd say like you should definitely take the time out to study and like get to know the skills and what you need and stuff like that.
And whenever you're studying, you don't really have to do this stuff. You could just watch the videos or like go through the procedure. It doesn't really take that much out of your day to go over the stuff we learn in class.
One thing I liked about Miss J, she let us be ourselves, no matter if it was like we could talk to her. Okay, what was that? But we could talk to her like as if we didn't have to be someone else that we weren't with. I mean, how you are with your other teachers.
Silent.
Yeah.
Got to meet a lot of new people.
Mm-hmm. I would say there weren't any silent days unless Miss J was mad. Then you had to like
Everyone
even
was like,
everyone was like,
practicing, you were in silence. Like you barely even wanted to talk.
Sound check.
sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check.
We are recording now. And leaving and closing the door.
Oh, I thought we were gonna have like a discussion.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't see it. Yeah.
So let's just start with like the expectations, like what they expect the class.
And then we'll go to